I get to experience the best of everything, the stardom as well as I'm a MLA. So, what better experience than to watch a movie big screen facing the sea and you'll live experience Goenkarang, Goenkarang Sword anywhere you will not get.
Hi guys, this is Vaibhavi. Welcome back to IFI special episode by Goa Plus News in association with Goa Platform. आमी आसा इफीच्या 7व्या दिसाक. इफी म्हणल्यार गोंयचें एक खूब व्हडलें फिल्म फेस्टिवल जे सक्सेसफूल जावपा खातीर जे सगळ्यान इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणटा तो गव्हर्मेंटाचो सपोर्ट. तर हांव आसा आज कॅबिनान मिस दिलायला लोबोचा हू इज द वायस चेअरमॅन ऑफ ESG. सो लेट्स टॉक टू हर. पळोवया की इफी दिसांनी ती कशी कितें आसता ती. सो मॅम कशी आसा तुमी?
एकदम गुड बाय.
ह्या दिसांनी हॅक्टीक आय नो की शेड्यूल सगळो हांगा ते आमकां सुद्दां आतां खूब वेळ वेट करपा पडलो बिकॉज तुमचो फूल शेड्यूल जो आसा तो बिजी आसा. सो कशें कितें हँडल करता?
First of all, welcome to the 55th edition of International Film Festival of India to 2024 right here in Goa. आणि हँडल करपाक this is my second year as a VC and second time I'm handling this IFI. So last year I was a bit new and was everything new to me. This year I've got a lot of experience, good experience, and I point out to my HODs, to my GM, whatever बारीक बारीक कितें निमणे वखदार जाग्यार वचून घालूंक जाय जाल्यार सो it's there.
रुटीन कितें तुमचो आतां ह्या दिसांनी?
We have to फाल्यां tomorrow the first this Goan, especially गोंयची जेन्ना फिल्मां स्क्रीन जातात, I make sure that I'm here, to take them, walk them the red carpet. So फाल्यांचे पयलें म्हणल्यार पावणी 9 first screening. I mean walking the red carpet. So I reach here by 8 o'clock.
Every day?
Not it depends on the red carpet. So
Screening.
the screening. So आमची गोंयची खूब फावटीं in the morning they get the slot and then I have to be here till the end.
ओके. सो इतले व्हडले फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीची तुमकां रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेळ्ळा. सो एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीन तुमकां इंट्रस्ट आशिल्लो बिकॉज कशें आसता सपोज इंट्रस्ट ना जाल्यार आमकां एखादी गजाल करपाक आवडना. इंट्रस्ट आसल्यारच आमी ती करतात पळय बरे भशेन. सो तुमकां इंट्रस्ट आशिल्लो?
See, first of all, I thank my honorable CM for giving me this opportunity to be here. Interest आमचो entertainmentan, I mean, as far as movies go, is only sitting in front of the TV and watching movie. Or when movies become really super hit, then I go. That's the part of entertainment. I mean, as far as films are concerned. But when I was given this charge, it's we have developed that love, and we come to know more about films, producing everything.
म्हणल्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी येतकीर ते ऑटोमॅटिक
You tend to take interest in it, and then you start liking it. It's nice.
सो हाव यू हँडल बोथ लायक MLA तुमी आनी आतां इफी मदींच?
See, it's only IFI म्हणटा ती just 9 days, 20th to 28th. So I'm really over here only. And otherwise, as a MLA, I'm 365 days in my constituency. And I'm only one such MLA, I think. I get to enjoy the both, being an MLA and being among the stars. So I don't think any other MLA gets this chance.
इफीक आसतनाच थंयच्यान कितें कॉल बी येता?
Yeah, my staff is there. So they are managing everything, and when it is really, really required, I'm there available over the phone.
कितें जाला तसो इन्सिडेंट?
कांयच ना, no, nothing much.
ओके. सो गोवन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री तुमी कशी पळयतात?
ओके. ह्या वर्सा आमकां ऑल टुगेदर 25 फिल्म्स येयल्ली. सो our jury selected 14 films. 4 under Goan directors segment आणि 10 under Goan producers segment. And I'm really thankful to all the 25 entries. Not everyone can make it, could make it, but what is more important is participation. आणि या वर्षाचे इफी मुद्दाम करून आम्ही युवा खातीर youth, to see that the youth of Goa especially they get exposure. आणि आम्ही कितलीच पहिले आता movies, गोवन movies जी screen झाल्या, there's so many young boys and girls who are directors and producers. And more about our freedom fighters, more about our liberation, it's more about our history, गोंयची history. So I'm really thankful to them. आणि ही बरी बरी पिक्चर असता ती म्हाका दिसता हांगाच स्क्रिनींग करूंक जायना ती आमच्या भुरग्यां कडेन इस्कॉलांनी पावोंक जाय. दॅट्स इवन व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. स्पेशली आमचो इतिहास, आमचो गोंयचो इतिहास जे डॉक्युमेंटरीज दाखयतात, शॉर्ट फिल्म दाखयतात, ती पिक्चरां आमच्या भुरग्यां कडेन वचोंक जाय. आमच्या in the schools and colleges, if they are screened, they'll be more enlightened. आणि वो बाबा आमचो फ्रीडम फायटर, वो आमचो इतिहास.
आणि विज्युअली
So then it is more, so that is going one step further.
ओके. सो ह्या फाटी गोवन फिल्म मेकर्सा खातीर कितें स्किम्स आसा?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्किमीचेर सांगचे पयले, फाल्यां टुमोरो इज द लास्ट डे वी आर हॅविंग मास्टर क्लास आमच्या गोंयकारां खातीर. एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी हू वॉन्ट्स टू नो मोर अबाउट मेकिंग फिल्म्स, more about writing the script, more about if you have a script, how to pitch for your script to sell to a film producer, or understood. So ह्यो मास्टर क्लासीस आमी 25th, 26th आणि 27th दवरलेल्यो. आणि फाल्यां लास्ट डे 27th इवनिंग. ऑल द गोवन्स आर वेलकम आमचे Z² बँक्वेट हॉल. याद सांजचे वक्तार. आणि थंयसर रेजिस्टर जावन यू ऑल गेट अ फ्री मास्टर क्लास by renowned Indian writers, producers, directors are there who are guiding you all. So हांव उलो मारता सगल्या आमच्या गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक स्पेशली येयात आनी थंयसर बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. सेकंडली, एज फार एज गोवा स्टेट फिल्म फेस्टिवल इज कन्सर्न, वी आर गोइंग टू हॅव इट इन March 2025. सो 3 वर्साची 2018-19, I mean from 2018 till date. I mean we are going to screen and those in March 2025. Besides that, आमचे फिल्म फायनान्स स्कीम तेजी एप्लिकेशनां आमी चालू करतली घेवपाक फ्रॉम 9th of December. And for more information you can go on our website www.esg.co.in. तेजेर आनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आसतलें. सो दीस इज ऑल टू हेल्प आवर यंग बडिंग फिल्म मेकर्स, गोंयचे फिल्म मेकर्स, टू गिव देम सम असिस्टन्स फॉर इन एज फार एज फिल्म प्रोडक्शन इज कन्सर्न. सो तांकांय लागून आमचे ते फिल्म फायनान्स स्कीम आमी परतीच चालू करतात.
ओके.
इट हॅड स्टॉप फॉर अ वायल बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड आनी इट्स हियर बॅक.
ओके. सो आयच्यान एक फुडले 10 वर्सांनी तुमी गोवन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री खंय पळयता?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ह्या वर्साची इफी वी आर 99% इको फ्रेंडली. तुम्ही डेकोरेशन पळयलां आसतलें. द कन्सेप्ट वॉज गिवन टू अस बाय NID, नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ डिझायनिंग, बट ऑल एक्झिक्युशन इज डन बाय us ESG, True Vinayak Decorators. So it's so environment friendly and pleasing to the eye. आमी ते फ्लेक्स यूज करूंक ना, प्लास्टीक यूज करूंक ना, ना म्हण टमोकॉल यूज करूंक ना. So we are coming back to being conscious towards our environment. And 10 years ह्याच इफीक आमी पयली कितले भुरगे फुडें सरल्यात ते, in as far as directions are concerned. And production is concerned, भुरगे youth. So I'm seeing a bright future for our Goan films. आणि सावत म्हणून मूवी आमच्या इंडियन पॅनोरमाच्या सेगमेंटान गेली. यू नो इट वॉज स्क्रीन विथ आर इंडियन फिल्म्स. सो सच अ बिग मॅटर ऑफ प्राईड फॉर अस. आणि आमची आर्टिकल 370 मूवी वेर आमचो गोंयचो डायरेक्टर बाब आदित्य जांबळे, ही इज मूवी इज बींग नॉमिनेटेड फॉर गोल्डन पिकॉक. नो सच अ बिग ऑनर फॉर अस and I wish him all the very best. So this is it. We are all making headlines and we will be right there, provided Goa government's help also is required.
जे आता भुरगे आहेत आता भुरगे तुम्ही म्हणले न्ही की ल्हान ल्हान भुरगे फिल्म हाडटा. सो इफ ते भुरग्यांक फुडें सरपाक जाय फिल्मानूच तांकां मेळना लायक प्रोड्युसर मेळना, तेणी करप कितें, लायक तुमचो एडवायस कितें आसता?
So my advice is right now we are at the beginning stage. We are at the making people aware. तेका लागून हे मास्टर क्लासीस हाडलेले आहा आनी आमी मास्टर क्लासीस आतांच सोंपयता म्हणून ना. ते वील कंटिन्यू. एज वील सी द फीडबॅक फ्रॉम पीपल. एंड देन व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट इज मेकिंग अ institute, you know. Yeah, we have one institute in Porvorim in Goa, institute. But besides that, we require a big time institute where when our film city is there, will come. It will, also be there. And I'm sure our Honorable CM will look into it.
आज 7वो दीस. सो तुमचो ओवरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स कितें, लायक ऑल 7 days?
Overall experience, you should ask the people. And my experience has been, our GM, all the HODs have been working, last 3 months. It's not just last minute. Last 3 months, every thought process, and we see to it because we have got experience from 2004 was the first year IFFI came to Goa. And from that year, we are hosting it. So a lot of experience is there. Amche HODs, amche GM, and so much effort is from all the sides. And we are every year IFFI gets bigger and better. Yeah.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री म्हणल्यार एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी म्हणटा की फिल्म्स हे सगळे जालेंच, बट आतां इफीक हांगा खुबशे स्टॉल्स आसात वा जे कितें आसा स्टॉल्स, मागीर खाणाचे हें आसा, तशेंच मागीर भायर रस्त्याचेर आसात बारीक बारीक स्टॉल्स. सो तेजे बद्दल तुमी कितें सांगतले?
पयलें म्हणटा तें ओपनिंग आनी क्लोजींग सेरेमनी आमचें जाता श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमान. सो ओपनिंग सेरेमनी वॉज ऑन 20th and the closing ceremony is on 28th. So I again welcome all my Goans, सगळ्या गोंयकारांक, come and watch the stars of film industry walking the red carpet right in front of you. So सगळ्या गोंयकारांक 28th क्लोजिंग सेरेमनीकूय येवचें म्हणून म्हाजी मागणी. Besides that, we had film bazaar in Marriott's. There is exchange of films. कोण प्रोड्युसर्स येता, कोणा कडेन स्क्रिप्ट आहा, they try to sell their script to the producers and directors. All the film industry, buying and selling of films is there at Marriott's. Then besides that, 3 open air screens. One is at Miramar, one is at Anjuna Bhagator, and one is at Margaon, Ravindra Bhavan. So what better experience than to watch a movie big screen facing the sea. And all experience गोंयकारांक सोड anywhere you will not get. So I request all my Goans, हांगा पावना बसून जाल्यार मिरामार बिचार बसून, आमचे वागातोर हेलिपॅड बिचार बसून पिक्चरां पळयात. सावथाचे आमचे हांगा येयात मारगांव रवींद्र भवन. द बेस्ट ऑफ मुवीज आर बींग स्क्रीन देर at the sunset. What better view and better experience can you have? Besides that, आमच्या कला अकॅडमीन मास्टर क्लासेस जातात. There all the stars are there. Directors, stars, सगळे येतात and they tell more about direction and everything about their actors are telling about their experience. So that is there. मागीर आमच्या ESGच्या बिल्डिंगाच्या फुडल्यानूच एक स्क्रीन हा where it is free for Goans and everyone to enjoy the entertainment. Besides that, we have given stalls to our self-help group ladies, and to our Goans out there. So it's all there for Goans, to come and enjoy another last one day, 27th, and 28th is the closing ceremony. So please come and enjoy the film and the best of movies. जगातले बऱ्यातले बरे पिक्चर हांगा स्क्रीन जातात. Come and watch.
एकच क्वेश्चन हांव एड ऑन करता की तुमकां इतले सगळे इंटरनॅशनल नॅशनल सगळे सेलिब्रिटी बरोबर रेड कार्पेटार येवपाचो जी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा तेन्ना फिलींग कितें तुमची?
See, it's a different kind of feeling. म्हण कोणाकूच मेळचें ना आनी आमकां तें भाग्य आहा म्हणून दिलां by the grace of God and support of our honorable CM, and I really thank him. I get to experience the best of everything, the stardom as well as I'm a MLA. So what more can you ask for? What more can you ask for?
एक्झॅक्टली. ओके, सो दॅट इज इट. थँक्यू सो मच. खूप बरें दिसलें तुमचे कडेन उलोवन.
देव बरें करूं. Thank you.